Compassion for others is a balm for our own wounds, he said. In the serene mountains of the East, nestled amidst towering pines and tranquil streams, there existed a monastery known for its teachings on resilience and inner strength. People from all walks of life sought guidance from Master Ryokan, a revered Buddhist monk whose wisdom transcended the chaos of the world. He often shared stories and principles rooted in Buddhist philosophy, teaching others how to navigate life's challenges with grace and fortitude. One day, a young man named Haru arrived at the monastery. His life was a storm of emotions, betrayal, loss, and constant self-doubt had consumed him. He pleaded with Master Ryokan for guidance. "Master," Haru said, bowing deeply, "I am tired of being affected by everything around me. Teach me how to find peace, no matter the storm." Master Ryokan nodded gently and invited Haru to sit. Over the next 10 days, the master shared 10 timeless Buddhist principles that would transform Haru's perspective and life. 1. Impermanence. Everything is temporary. The master began by pointing to a blossoming flower. This flower is beautiful today, but will wither tomorrow. Just as the seasons change, so too do our circumstances. Haru learned that clinging to the fleeting, be it joy or sorrow, only deepened his suffering. By embracing impermanence, he began to accept life's ebb and flow without resistance. 2. Non-attachment. Let go of what you cannot hold. One day, Master Ryokan handed Haru a handful of water and said, "Hold it tight." Haru clenched his fist, but the water slipped through his fingers. The master smiled. "This is life. The tighter you cling, the more you lose. Let go, and you'll find peace." Haru realized the futility of holding on to material possessions, relationships, or outcomes. 3. Mindfulness. Be present in every moment. Walking through the monastery garden, the master urged Haru to feel the earth beneath his feet, hear the rustling leaves, and smell the fragrant flowers. "In this moment lies all of life," the master said. Haru began practicing mindfulness, discovering the beauty and calm in living fully in the present. 4. Compassion. Extend kindness to all. Master Ryokan narrated the story of a bird that, despite being injured, cared for its young. "Compassion for others is a balm for our own wounds," he said. Haru realized that by helping others, he could transcend his own struggles and find deeper meaning. 5. Detachment from ego. You are not your titles. The master showed Haru a plain clay pot and said, "Is its value in the pot itself or what it holds?" Haru replied, "What it holds." "Exactly," Ryokan said. "You are not your titles, achievements, or failures. You are the essence within." This lesson freed Haru from the weight of others' opinions and his own self-judgments. 6. Gratitude. Find joy in the simple things. Master Ryokan shared a bowl of rice with Haru and said, "This humble meal is a gift from the earth, the sun, and countless hands. Appreciate it." Haru learned to see abundance in the small blessings of life, cultivating gratitude even in difficult times. 7. Acceptance. Resist nothing, accept everything. When a storm rolled over the mountains, Master Ryokan stood by the window and watched calmly. "The storm doesn't last forever," he said. "Resist it, and you'll suffer. Accept it, and you'll endure." Haru applied this wisdom to his emotions, learning to accept his pain rather than fight it. Simplicity. Less is more. The master gave Haru a single candle and said, "This one light can illuminate an entire room. You don't need more." Haru began simplifying his life, finding that peace often lay in letting go of excess. 9. Patience. Growth takes time. The master pointed to a bamboo shoot, saying, "For years it grows its roots before it shoots up." True strength takes time to build. Haru learned patience, understanding that personal growth is a gradual process requiring persistence. 10. Inner peace. Silence is power. On the final day, Master Ryokan meditated with Haru in complete silence. After an hour, he said, "Silence is where your strength lies. In stillness, you'll find answers." Haru began meditating daily, discovering a calm within that no external force could shake. The transformation by embracing these 10 principles, Haru transformed from a man ruled by his emotions to one who found peace in chaos. He returned to his village, not as the same person who had left, but as a beacon of wisdom and resilience. Years later, Haru shared these teachings with others, spreading the timeless wisdom he had learned. The lessons of impermanence, mindfulness, compassion, and inner peace became a guiding light for many, proving that nothing external could truly affect those who lived by these principles.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of mindfulness and serenity. If you'd like to stay connected and receive more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Peace and tranquility await.